In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the new HubSpot customer portal. Let's get started by navigating to HubSpot's homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL or searching for it online. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is straightforward. Find and click on the Login button. This button is usually located at the top right corner of the web page. Clicking it will prompt you to enter your login credentials. So go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, you'll be directed to your HubSpot home. Think of this as your base of operations where you can access all the tools HubSpot has to offer. Take a moment here if you'd like to familiarize yourself with your space. It's always good to know your way around. Once you're oriented, locate the Service tab. Typically, the navigation bar at the top of the HubSpot homepage will contain tabs like Contacts, Marketing, and Sales. Look for Service and give it a click. This will open up more options related to customer service and support. Next, within the Service tab, search for the section labeled Customer Portal. Clicking on this will transport you to where you can start configuring your customer portal settings. Now, you might be wondering what a customer portal is. Simply put, it's a dedicated space where your customers can find information and support themselves, drastically enhancing their user experience. This is where they access their services, track support tickets, and utilize resources your company provides. Once you are in the customer portal section, you'll encounter another customer portal link. Click on this to dive deeper into the settings available. Here is where the magic of customization takes place. You can select what you want your customers to see, ensuring it aligns with the kind of service you're aiming to provide. Remember, the way you set up this portal can influence how customers perceive your service quality, so take your time to go through each option. To recap, today we've successfully navigated through HubSpot's homepage, accessed the main services, and delved into the setup of a customer portal. The ease of setting up such a vital tool is part of what makes HubSpot such a versatile platform for businesses seeking to offer stellar customer service. Feel free to pause and rewind this video if you need extra time during any step, and always check back with official resources if you encounter any complexities. I hope this guide has been informative and helpful. Don't hesitate to explore and modify each setting to better suit your business needs. If you found this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy setting up.